One best thing about this Hamburg Sustainability Conference is that I can see North and South working together. We have been working in silos in climate change debate. Global South keeps on accusing Global North of many things that are actually went wrong. But in this type of forum where both global thinker, policy, northern policymaker and thinkers, as well as the southern policymakers and thinkers, they are together, they can understand each other's point of view.
I'm coming here from IDOS conference in Bonn on Post 2030. So many of the discussions that we had there. So it is just an extension of the discussions we had. And it is getting much more intense here because there are much more different kinds of stakeholders here, multi-stakeholder approach, plus we have people from other countries of the world as well, majorly from the Global South and North. So those kind of discussions are really interesting. And this morning, I was very happy to see the launch of the South-North Commission on Development.
So what is I think really unique about the Sustainability Conference, and this year it has, it has proved that recipe, is that you have sessions that bring together different perspectives. That it's not just something that is sort of rarefied and theoretical, but really practical. We hear both about the practical challenges and opportunities in terms of creating policy, but also from the private sector, both big and small, about the barriers and also the opportunities for sustainability.
Some of the major issues were discussed in the context of post-2030 agenda, and we discussed that what should be agenda, whether we should open another set of SDGs or we just consolidate and integrate some of these. Some of the important issues and critical issues which came up during the discussion is that the focus of development has changed a little bit since 2015, when issues such as poverty, hunger, all of these were prominent, but we see during the last couple of years, other issues have become so prominent that many countries are struggling. For example, climate issues, those have intensified. Debt crisis have really engulfed many of the countries. Technological disruption has also been very prominent in many countries.
It's all about Hamburg is about sharing perspective in a safe space to rebuild the trust and the confidence of working together and of greater cooperation. So also this session re-emphasized how we need to work together, we need to listen to each other, and we need to build bridges towards our shared future.